Natalie Hurtado. I am 27 years old. I live in Medellin, but I am friend of Cañas Gordas. I am single. I like to dance. I like to go for a walk. I like to eat. I like to read. I love ride a bicycle. I had a cat called Simon. I like animals very much and take care of them. I am a customer service consultant. I work at Medellin in Punto de Servicios S.A. I am a business management student. My mother name is Dari Berrio. She is 45 years old. My dad name is Agustin Arias. He is 55 years old. The climate of Cañas Gordas is cool and sunny on sunny days. People visit the tourist center, where there are animal farm, swim pool, soccer field in the days of winter. He is very cold every day. He rains. He is essential to have a good coat, but loves the road to go to the countryside is muddy. If you want to have the best vacation ever, you should go to the island of San Andres and Providencia, because there you can do many things. For example, you should go to the you need to go to Cayo Bolivar. You should not wear work clothing and you not out to swimming for ferry places.